Welcome back to another part of working on my cheap EP91 Toyota Starlet. In the last part I stripped it down, repaired it, got it welded and got it into epoxy primer too. But now we need to get it into some high build primer. To get started I needed to sand down that epoxy primer, and to do that I'm using 320 grit discs on my sander. So you don't need to sand this stuff with 320 grit, but that's what I'm doing because I'm going to be high build priming over the top of it anyway, so I might as well give it a good scuff down. Once I'd sanded down the driver's side wing, I could then get onto the other side and do that wing, and then the rear quarter too. Once I'd sanded down all the epoxy primer and gave the car a clean off, I could then mask it all off again, and then I could mix up some high build primer. Now I'm using this stuff, this is U-POL, and it's mixed at a ratio of 4:1. I can then get that into my gun and then onto the car, and with the first coat I'm just going over it nice and lightly. And we're at a really exciting stage for the car now. You can start to see the car coming together and all the repairs are covered up too, so it gives you a better idea of what it's going to look like when it's done. I primed some more rub throughs on the bonnet and then done the same with the front wing, and then I could do the same with a big repair on the rear quarter too. I've done about 5 coats on the car in total just to make sure there was plenty on there. And once that primer was dry and the car had been unmasked, it was looking so much better. I also put some guide coat on the primed areas as well, so when I go to sand it I can see if there's any low spots, but it's looking so much better already. Thank you for watching and make sure to follow the page.